Welcome. Now, in our digital lifestyle, we'll go to the seventh step, which is skill set to master. There are five pillars of freedom. One is traffic, list building, conversion, copywriting, tribe building. So, traffic, start an ad for traffic, list building, start building email list, conversion, start webinars, and copywriting, start ad copy, and traffic building, start building your tribe. And then there's a perturbation concept. So let's understand what it is. Perturbation theory is mathematical method that gives approximate solution to problem that cannot be solved exactly. In geology, perturbation means changes in the nature of alluvial deposit over time. Astronomy, perturbation means alternations to an object orbit, like example is caused by gravitational interaction with other bodies. And perturbation means a set of in quantum mechanics approximation scheme directly related to mathematical perturbation for describing complicated quantum system in system of the simple one. In biology, an alternation of the function of a biological system introduced by external or internal mechanism perturbation function, mathematical function which relates to random and real problems. So, how diamonds are formed? You can go in here and you can see how diamonds are formed. So, diamonds, they first the diamonds are from the original of one of the most precious gemstone on the planet traps carbon underground. There's a carbon, then heat and pressure the carbon, like there's a heat also pressure, and then delivers diamond to surface. Then there's a volcano and this process happens. The diamond fact, this is how it is formed. Like there's a lot of pressure, carbon, then the pressure, heat, and it takes millions of years. This is how diamond is formed. So this is called perturbation. So this is my another mentor, Blas Singer. He has taught this principle, and so when you go through this process of perturbation, what happens that you turn. If you're focused on goal and you are always taking actions and you are not getting distracted, and you will become a diamond. Otherwise, you will get depressed, you will be negative and all. So you need to be focused. You need to have right balance. You need to have you need to balance your life. You need to be focused, and so that you can grow. Right? You need to have right environment. The surrounding or conditions in which person and animal plant lives and operates, this is how you will become a diamond. You need to have a right environment. Wrong environment, depression and all bad habits will happen to you. So you need to have a right environment to become diamond. And that is the concept of perturbation. It's a very deep concept. I have done research on it. So guys, kindly understand it so that you will go through it and understand. Then you need to have skills like video, webinar skills, tutorials, Facebook Live, short video skills. You need to learn it so that you will always be number one affiliate marketer. You will be focusing. Top marketer, the marketplaces. Marketplaces. Let's go to this step 8 and learn. Marketplaces, Amazon Associate, Share a Sale, Flipkart, ClickBank, Alibaba.com, Procure Marketing, then private and direct, Bluehost, ClickMagic, Somerush, Get Response, Teachable, Yogas, Namecheap, Demio, ClickFunnels. These are great marketplaces. And then you have have a website, GST, sign an agreement with them so that you with companies, and then you will be able to affiliate with. Do it with own products and your own ecosystem. Thank you so much.